Good morning, dear students. I hope that you all are keeping well. And these days, you know that Corona is spreading very fast. So, you keep yourself safe and healthy. Drink warm water and do not drink cold drink and eat ice creams. Stay safe. Do not attend lots of parties and wedding ceremonies. Wash your hands, and whenever you go out, you cover your face with the mask. I hope that you keep safe and healthy. I pray to God that you and your family would be safe from uh, this coronavirus, and you will be blessed by God. So keep yourself safe. Sanitize your hands every time. So let's get to the studies now. On Saturday we have started the new chapter, first chapter, that is chapter number 1, numbers up to 200. So now we will start up from page number 14. Last time we have ended up with page number 13. Now we will start from page number 14. So on page number 14, on the top you will see get it right. So this is a very important thing, students, and I want that you should always keep this in your mind. This is a very important thing. See, do not use and in number names. For example, 120 is correct, but 120 is wrong. Never use and in the number names. Use hyphen. This mark you also use as a subtraction mark, but is a small mark, not a big one but a small one. Use it is called hyphen correctly in the number names. For example, 175. So between 75, 35, 85, 37, 26, 74, 45, 26, you use this hyphen. But you cannot use hyphen between 1 and 100, because 100 is only one number, 100, 100. So between 75, 45, 35, 72, 26, 88, 94, you can use the hyphen, but you cannot use a hyphen in 100. I hope you have understood this. So let's move to the other page. So students, this is the exercise. Write the missing numbers in the table. So I have done this exercise for you. For example, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. So up to 101 to 200 you will fill this exercise I have done for you, and you will do it by yourself. Write the missing number. So write the missing numbers means you have to write the missing numbers which has been not written in this train. So 110, 111, 112 is here, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117 already given. So those number which has not been given in the train block, you will fill it, and this exercise is given on page number 15. So please do this exercise in your books. Let's move on to the other exercise, page number 16. So on page number 16, Circle the correct number for each number name. 126. So 126, you circle the number. 137, you will circle this number. 192, you will circle this number. 192. 179, so you will circle 179. 185, you will circle 185. So I have done this exercise for you in the book itself. Now the second exercise is write the number names for each number. As I have said that you will not use a hyphen between this, you will use the hyphen between 45, 26, 75, and you will not use and. So let's start. 145. So I have written the names of the numbers. 145, 190, 126, 117, 175. I have done it for you. So you can also do it in your books given on page number 16. So now count the beads and write the numbers. So here 100, 10, ones. So ones, tens, 100. So what is the place of 100? 1. So you will write here 1. Now tens, 1, 2, 3. You will write here 3. And in the place of ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will write here 6. So 136. The full digit is 136. Here I have written. So now you can see here ones place what has been written. Counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So on the place of ones you will write 9. In the place of tens there is no beat. So you will write here 0. And in the place of 100 there is only one beat. So you will write here 1. So 109. So I hope you have understood how to write this. Count the beats and write the numbers. So counting, you know the place of ones, tens and 100. So let's move on to the page number 70. Please see, as I have done it for you. Count the beat on ones place, tens place and 100 place. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you may write here 8. Then count the tens one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 8 is there. So in the place of tens you will write 8. And in the place of 100 only one bead is there. So you will write here 1. So 188. So count the other one. So on the place of ones, count the beads. 1, 2. Here is 2. In the place of tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will write here 7. And in the place of 100, only one bead is there. So you write here 1. 172. So 172. Draw beads to show these numbers on the abacus. So here please show 145. In the place of tens 5 number are there. So you draw the bead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the place of tens 4 beads are there. So you draw 4 beads 1, 2, 3, 4. In the place of 100 1 is there. So you draw the 1 bead on the place of 100 on an abacus. So here you can see the second picture 180. On the place of ones there is 0. So you will not draw any beads. On the place of tens, you will see that 8 number has been given. So you will draw 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the place of 100, only one number has been given. So you will draw only one bead. Now see this number 126. On the place of 1, 6 is there. So you will draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have drawn it for you. In the place of tens, 2 number is given. So you will draw 2 beads. 1, 2. In the place of 100, 1 number is given. So you will draw here 1 bead. So the number is 126. Now please come to what comes before. So all of you know that what comes before the number. So 120. So you can count the number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And as it is 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. So before 120, the digit will come 119. Next is 140. So you count 131, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139. So 140. So the digit will come 139 before 140. Similar 145 before 145, the digit will come 144. Before 110, the digit will come 109. What comes between 156, 157, 158, 189, 190, 191, 176, 177, 178, 188, 189, 190. Now what comes after 179? What comes after 180? 150. What comes after 151? 122. What comes after 123? 129. What will come after 130? Now think, cat. Who am I? Find out with the help of the clues. I come just before 100. Just before 100. I am the biggest 2-digit number. I am 99. Because 99 is the digit. So before 100, the digit comes is 99. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. So all the things has been given on page number 17. I have done it in your textbooks. So I want students that you also do this exercise in your book, as I have done in the book very neatly. I hope you have understood what comes before, what comes after, and what comes between, and how to draw the beads on the abacus and write the number names for each number. And one more thing I want to tell you, student. I have told you that do not use and in number names. So 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. As it is, you have to count up to 200. I have done this exercise given on page number 550. So you also please do it in your text books, maths book. Do not get confused. Okay, so please do it in your books, and we will do the rest of the exercise afterwards. You stay at home and stay safe and do your work neatly. The copy work will be given to you. Thank you for the class.